Hello, my name is Garrett Murren. I work at Radiant Life Technologies, where we develop new technologies for a more natural life. Our latest project tackles the growing concern about the negative health effects of communication technologies, and this is things such as 5G, for example. So in this presentation, I'm going to explain the challenge as we see it and present to you our solution introducing the coMra wave. coMra wave converts harmful electromagnetic radiation into harmonic waveforms that re-energize body and mind. Why should we be concerned about electromagnetic radiation? There have been many scientific and medical studies to determine the long-term health effects of harmful electromagnetic radiation, EMR or electrosmog for short. This is from digital devices such as mobile phones, Wi-Fi networks, TV, and satellite, to name a few. And their effects on our general psyche and well-being. How is electrosmog harmful? It's all about the water. Radiation from Wi-Fi, 3, 4, 5G, GSM, and all other digital technologies make the structure of water, and this is both in our bodies and what we drink, chaotic and unhealthy. What does that mean? For example, through water, the body replaces 50 billion cells every single day. Water also helps the DNA replication process to prevent errors in our DNA. This helps with anti-aging and the prevention of tumors. We also know that there's an intricate, dynamic network of bonds in water, creating a structure like the electric activity of the brain. This dynamic structure gives water its healing properties, and it serves as a mediator in every biological process. In short, water is alive and is the key to all healing effects in the body and mind. coMra wave technology tackles the problem by rebalancing the natural structure of water in a very unique way. Firstly, coMra wave devices absorb harmful electromagnetic radiation from nearby digital devices, thus giving you a level of protection by having it close to you. Secondly, it converts that absorbed electrosmog into a harmonic waveform signature. That's stored in the device until it comes in contact with water. Because of the sensitive nature of water, that signature is then imprinted back into your body, into your drinking water, or into any water-containing structure. The new vortex signature imprints in the nearby water or water-containing structures to produce a closer state of water as it is in nature. So, is this for real? Yes, most definitely. We've tested safely and successfully our technology in the lab, with people, with pets, and with plants. We've gathered user feedback from a pilot run involving hundreds of people over the course of 7 years. We've tested with a range of scientific approaches, nuclear magnetic resonance, which is an MRI for substances, so nuclear magnetic resonance, microwave spectrum analysis, as well as microwave power analysis, and dissolved oxygen tests. The results from all of these tests show that coMra wave technology rebalances the quality of the water closer to that of water in nature. Economical and ecological, coMra wave technology does not require any batteries, doesn't have any moving parts. It's completely passive and self-powered, using the ambient electromagnetic radiation as its power source. The longevity of the devices depend on physical wear only. Take care and they'll serve you for a lifetime. We all want a more natural life. We're using research into life's natural order as well as its dynamics. The products and the services we offer are based on this research. And it's our hope that they will inspire everyone into finding a more natural cooperation between man, nature, and technology. Your support in this makes all the difference. Please spread the word. Thank you.